Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform some basic mathematical formulas in Excel. I'll be covering 7 different formulas. I'll start with the addition, and then I'm going to move to subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to perform the average, maximum, and minimum formulas. Let's start with the addition. In this example, let's say we have a company that makes two different products, product A and product B. And in column B, we have January sales, February sales is in column C. So let's start with the addition. For the addition, we always start with equal sign. You select the cells you want to add. So in this example, I want to add January sales to February sales for product A. So you select cell B2, and then you need the plus sign. So you click shift, the shift key, and the plus sign located next to the backspace key. And now click or select cell C2, and that's going to give you January and February sales for product A. If you copy the formula, that's going to give you the same result for product B. You can also do that here for column B, January sales total for both products. That's going to be the equal, select cell B5, and then shift and the plus sign. You need to click shift and hold it as well. So click and hold. Hit enter. That's 1300. Copy the formula. 1600 for February. So you can do the addition in many different ways. You can also, so that's the first way using the plus sign. You can also use the auto sum. So if you wanna get the total for products A and B for January, you go to the auto sum, click on it, hit enter. That's 300. You can do the same here. Hit enter. That's 1600. Quick and simple. Another way you can do the addition is by using the sum formula. In order to use the sum formula, you always start with equal, type equal, and then type sum, select the first one, and then select the range you want to include in this formula. So in this example, for January, we select B2 through B3, close parentheses, and that's going to give you January sales for products A and B. Copy the formula. That's going to do it for February. You can also use the sum formula if you want to add up for product A, January through February dollar sales. Select the range, close parentheses, hit enter. Another way you can use the sum formula is the following. So sum, select the first value you want to include, and then comma, select the second value you want to include, comma, if there is any other number or value you want to include, you just select that cell. We don't want to do that here. Using this form of the sum formula can be very useful if you want to exclude a selected cell. So for example, if we have March dollar sales in column D, that's 200, 600. Let's say and exclude February, for example. So with the normal sub formula, the regular sum formula, if you wanna get the total for January through March, you just select the range B2 through D2. However, if you want to exclude February, for example, this formula here doesn't allow you to exclude February. If you only want to get the total of January and March, the best way to do that with the sum formula is to type sum, select January, and then comma, you jump to March, close parentheses, and that's going to give you the total for January and March excluding February. You can do the same in here. Say we have a third product, product C. Say if you want to add up January sales for product A and C for the month of January, and do sum, select the cells you want, comma, C. So in this way we exclude product B. I like the flexibility that the sum formula offers when it comes to addition. So that's about it for the addition function. Let's move to the subtraction. If you want to subtract a number from another number, you need to use the minus sign. Is located just by the plus sign on your keyboard next to the backspace key. So in this example, I want to add up January sales for products A through C, and then maybe I want to subtract $200. So you start with the equal sign, you click the first number you want to use, and then you type the minus sign, and let's say I want to subtract 200. So basically it's very simple. It's just the minus sign, which is located next to the backspace key. That's it for the subtraction. Let's move to the multiplication. Say I want to multiply March dollar sales by 3. This is how I would do it. So it's D2, this cell right here, times 3. So if you want to do multiplication, you need to use this little star located above number 8. So basically you click shift, you click and hold, and then you click number 8. If you wanna, for example, multiply, we start with equal January sales for product C by number 10, for example. This is how we do it. And of course you can multiply any cells with another cells just using this little star right here. That's it for the multiplication. The fourth function I want to cover today is the division. So when it comes to division, in order to divide any number by another number, you need to use the backslash. The backslash is located on the bottom right on your keyboard by the shift button. So we always type equal. Let's say I want to divide 400 by 2. I'm dividing January sales for product C by 2. Hit enter. If I want to divide, for example, two different cells, if want to divide 600, this 600 March sales for product B by, let's say, January sales for product C. Just select the cell D3 divided by B4. That's going to give us, 1.5. It's very simple. That's it for the division function. It's located on the bottom right on your keyboard by the shift button. So far we've covered the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now I think the next formula we need to perform is the average formula. The average formula is a great formula. It saves you a lot of time. So in this example, if we want to calculate the average sales for January through March, you type equal average. Select average, open parentheses. You select the range. In this case, it's January through March. Close parentheses. Hit enter. So the average sales for product A for January through March is 466. You copy the formula, and that's going to give you the average sales for product B and product C. It's basically, you can get the same result if you do the math. So if you add up January through sales, January through March, if you add up the sales, the dollar sales for January through March, and then you divide by 3 because we're doing this for 3 different months, you're gonna get the same result. Or you can just use the sum function we just learned to get the total, and you divide it by 3. That's gonna give you the same result. However, it's much easier and faster using the average function. That's it for the average. Let's move to the maximum formula, the max. You type equal max, select max, you select the range January through March, close parentheses, and hit enter. Before I hit enter, so the max or the maximum formula is supposed to give you the highest number in this range, which is 700. It's 700 for product A, it's supposed to be 900 for product B, and 500 for product C. The opposite is true for the minimum formula, the min. It's supposed to give you the lowest number in a selected range. So for product A, it's supposed to be 200. For product B, it's supposed to be 600 and 400 for product C. Perfect. That's all I wanted to cover today. Thank you so much for watching. Please check the other videos on my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.